go, guys. Day before opener.
And we're about to open tonight.
Yeah, we out here in White River. Chi, Tu, Matt, and me camped out here. Got our place set up. Getting settled in. Getting ready for opening day tomorrow. Hopefully this year is going to be a successful year, right?
Hell yeah.
All right.
Blood. Oh, I do. Yeah, let's go. Blood. Go ahead, go first. There's a lot of blood here, dude. A fatal shot here. Look at that. A lot of blood. Go ahead, go first. Going in hot. Yeah, look at this blood trail. Blood trail right here. See this? Show his own blood. What's that, guys? You see him? Two. You see him? Let's go.
Alright, let's get down.
It is. Oh yeah, there he is. Porky baby. Oh yeah. Good shit, dude. Good shit.
30-yard shot.
30-yard shot. Buck down. If you hit him. Oh yeah.
Hey, it's a 2x3, bro.
Ah, yeah. I think the other one was a little bit bigger. Yeah. Good shit, dude. Got it done.
Right, now the work begins.
First, I would have preferred packing it out in the woods, but
Hey, you got the easy route, bro. Fuck it. That's how I got it too, you know? You just get it hide on. It's always good to bring the whole thing, you know? So you can just, you can do, yeah, make it nice, you know, how you want it. You ain't gotta do the hard labor, you know? Because hearing other stories, oh, yeah, that could but you can't.
Cool, open shit. Can do that.
You know, that you tag out two of your tags and shit, bro. Oh, now you got the Hey, one is down, bro. That's all. The beginning of it. Oh, fuck, man. You need to stop. You go to the target. Come on. Right there. Your butt comes along, shoot the butt. It is coming along great. Besides that, bro, you sure you still want to sell it?
See him right here. The best shot, but we'll take it.
Dude,
Get
that was
here.
the best shot.
Yeah.
Like I say, no matter where you shoot, long as it's dead, over here.
Tell us what happened.
He called in a big ass 6x6. Came up 20 yards and got a shot.
So we called in a bull this morning. Shot from somewhere over here. He was over here, the green edge grass. Shot it once. He ran back over here. Shot it again, but he missed. Hit it with a tree. He had a second shot, hit the tree right here. But the first shot looked like it was a good shot. Not as much penetration as we would like, we hope. But it's a little bit of blood here and there, but we'll see. We waited about almost 2 hours now, so a little bit here we'll go see if we can find this bull, hopefully. Let you guys know. Keep it posted. So,
Fucking first time.
right here, dude. Tracked him down right here. Look at this right here, boys. Look at this big boy here. Ooh, that's a big boy. Got some work ahead of us, Gee.
Pretty symmetrical too, bro.
Ooh, damn. We don't share.
Hell yeah. That's worth the change up all this shit.
แต่กูต้องใช้นะกูต้องปล่อยเขาจะด่าแต่น้อยกูใช้
I saw it, like,
We took a
I
tree
was
now.
like, what the hell is that over there? I was like, that looks like something dead.
Damn, I did that.
Right there.
Come on, go. Come on. Okay, huh? Get behind him, man. Get behind him. Let's see this little boy. Ooh, motherfucking first time, bro.
Help me just fix it.
Double lung shot. Oh, it's a big boy, dude. It's a big boy, bro. 뭐 대체 또 내요 또 자. Okay, like that. That's good. Both glasses? Yeah, there. I'm gonna name it John. Damn, boy. Called in this big boy for Yuki to shoot. Put a good shot on him. big bull down. 가다 냉겨. 왜 냉겨 저거나. 저기서 저거다.
I saw this type. I was like, fuck, what the hell's that over there? Do the high.
뭐 저기 front 돌 저기 돌 말고 야. 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 자, 또 걸어. 오. Oh, you go from here. Yeah, it's a good shot. This one's for two. This one's for two, man.
Yeah.
Two, you couldn't come.
Two, you can't come.
So,
I had to do it for you, man.
yeah. Good shit, dude. Fuck, we got a lot of work.
Mexico, I told you.
Yeah.
Fucking show go.
7. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 by 6, dude. Woo. Hey, now the work starts, right? How you want to do this? We got to.
Fucking cut everything. More trash bag. More deep trash bag. More dry run.
我老是给说老是用，这是给老人了嘛？Yeah.
Yeah, what? Hey, what the hell?
저 그치 뭐 루키네.
Oh, yeah.
I have one in my truck.
I have one in my truck, too.
We can go get it. Don't worry. We just lose it. One more. Oh, no.
Fuck, bro.
I saw it. Grab down from over there.
I was like,
No, I saw from where we were sitting. Where you saw your arrow. Like, where's the 구멍 range just 잖아?
yeah, because I was like, yeah, it went over here, and then
구멍 range just 잖아. 어떻게 치나? I was like, fuck, what is that? They would spot you on.
yeah, when we come up here, I was like, text
It's
did
on
that
video.
video.
They got tight. They got capture something.
Okay. Fuck, damn. Yeah, boy.
Called this big boy for Yiki. Got the job done.
Highlight. Damn. This guy freaking scared the crap out of me, man. First time.
Gee. A lot of work, man. A lot of work. A lot of work put in trying to find him, chasing him.
Finally get him to come in.
Yep. Gotta get a good shot, then you gotta track him. Not an easy task.
You get a video where I hit it.
Yeah, right there.
Also, Team Cockwall does right there.
Too cockle. Shot it soon. On lens it here. I told the penis, but too awesome.
Is this the penis?
Right.
Penis is right here.
You should follow his stomach all the way back, because you must like it. Got 1/4, one hind leg off only. Just yielded that bag, game bag there. We got a lot left. A lot left to do. Well, continues.
Ok, để tao nói anh giống thế. Nhà tao tán rồi nó biết nè. Mua cái trả tí cho cái complaints á. Hả? Là sao? Ha, 6x6. Thì nói wow. Giờ ai chăn hay đã tụ ai cũng đã tụ tua. To nén trí nén nè. Thôi giờ nói giờ cứ. Ô, nè. sao chỉ sao mà không chỉ tao muốn nữa cho luôn à tấn liền á giờ nó một nó rồi ô giờ nó mà giờ oan giờ tôi cái đấy tôi là chứ mà chỉ khó đấy nè cho nó cái sao nó nát lỏng một cái đi giờ nè sao giờ mê là sao nó nát lỏng nè ô nè ban nào mà sao chỉ sao mà có sao đi cho các bao rung nhau thì tiêu nó thế nữa đã nữa tụi nó 6x6 tôi chơi phân lô giờ nó tôi thấy rồi tua to tôi thấy rồi tôi xong cũng một to thế nếu bỏ rồi nó rồi nó chỉ tuần gì là cái gì có quả đấy có quả rồi sao cũng mua con chữ nữa nè
This is our meat so far.
Whoa, whoa, If I can make a living from walking in the woods, you can bet I'd be sitting pretty good high on a hill, looking at a field downwind. If I can make a nickel off of turning in bass, never worry about the price of gas, I'd be wheeling and dealing and sitting there reeling them in. Hunting, fishing, loving every day, that's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting and fishing and loving every day. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I'm getting ready